Okay, so now we have an example. So we want to calculate the shaded area in the graph. So the first thing we want to think about is which is the greater function of these two in this interval. So we've got y equals 2x and y equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. So in this one here, we can see that y equals 2x is the greater function, is the larger function for this span here. So let's write that. So this would be the integral of between 1 and 3 of 2x, okay, that's its own little function, minus x squared minus 2x plus 3 dx. Okay, so what we need to do now is simplify this. So this becomes the integral between 1 and 3. So 2x minus 2x is going to become plus 2x, plus 4x even. This is still going to stay as minus x. This is going to be minus x plus 4x. And this minus 3, this will become minus 3 dx. So now we can integrate. I'll swap color. Okay. So apologies, I've missed out a squared term here. So this will become minus x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared over 2 minus 3x between 1 and 3. So what we want to do now is substitute in the limits. So this becomes negative 3 cubed over 3 plus, well, that will cancel out, so 2 times 3 squared, which will be 9, minus 3 times 3, which will be 9. Cool. Minus this lower limit. This becomes negative 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Sorry, it'll just be 2 because 2 times 1 is just 1 minus 3 times 1. Okay, so what does that leave us with? So 3 cubed is 27, divided by 3 is 9, plus 18 minus 9. And remember, I didn't leave this in here, because this cube term, this is going to stay negatives. This is going to be negative 9 plus 18 minus 9, which is actually just 0. What about this? So it's going to be minus 1 over 3. So 2 minus 3 is going to give you negative 1, so you're left with negative 1 over 3 plus negative 1. So what's that going to give you? It's going to give negative 4 over 3, because this is 2 negatives here. It's going to bounce back, which leave you with area equal to 4 over 3. And that's your final answer. So the things to remember here are figure out which is the total function, which is the bottom one. Make sure you've got it in a nice to integrate form. Integrate it correctly, substitute in your limits, then come back and bring it all together at the end for your final answer. And that's it. Just take some practice. There's a method to it. You get used to it.